Hey, MujerPreneurs, are you over 55? Are you over 55, over 50, and ready to take your business to the next level? Hey, everybody. I am Marti Angel, the Latina Biz Coach, and I'm thrilled to invite you to my free 5-week course starting in July. Create your first funnel. Imagine that, step by step. I am a formal educator, so I can teach you the steps that I took to build my first funnel. In this course, I'm going to guide you step by step through everything you need to build and launch your very first funnel. We're going to cover really important things, and it's going to be so fun, and I'll keep updating you. Keep coming back to the Coach Marti Angel YouTube channel. But just think about this. Week number 1, we're going to be talking about understanding funnels. This is free course. Week 2, we're going to be planning your funnel. Week 3, we're going to be creating a lead magnet that's going to be in your funnel. And week 4, we're going to be building your landing page. And week 5, we are going to be launching your funnel. So, mujeres hermosas, chulas, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this is the perfect course for you. And the best part, it's completely free. Amigas, chulas, hermosas, free. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, or if you're watching this on Instagram, you'll find it in the bio to sign up and join me on your exciting journey. Let's create some amazing funnels together. As always, I am so incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. Gracias por estar aquí. I can't wait to see you in the course. Bye for now. Gracias. Namaste. Have a good day.